Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I am back in Las Vegas, pretty much center Las Vegas Strip here. We're right next to the Linq on the left side, the Flamingo on the right side. We're going to check out the Linq Promenade tonight. The Linq Promenade is probably one of the busiest sections of the Las Vegas Strip, featuring lots of shops, lounges, restaurants, and attractions including the high roller observation wheel, as well as the Linq zip line. No visit to the Las Vegas Strip is really complete without visiting the Linq Promenade, but if you don't feel like walking the entire strip, this is something you must do. So if you're not going to walk the strip, at least walk the Linq Promenade. You're going to see a lot of people, a lot of activity, lots of good food, lots of good drinking, and again, lots of attractions. So let's check it out tonight, see what's going on here at the Linq Promenade, and we'll take things from there, shall we?
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video. The Fillmore Suite at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Good job, Deborah. Good eye. And also in that video, I had a Italian sub at the famous White House sub shop. So check that video out if you can. I have to be honest here, I never understood the whole In-N-Out burger phenomenon. Maybe it's a West Coast thing, but I've eaten here, I've had the burgers, the fries, the shakes, and it doesn't compare to Johnny Rockets, which, as you guys know, I really do like. I don't get what all the hoopla is about. And like I said, maybe it's a West Coast thing. I don't know. Do you like In-N-Out Burger? Leave a comment below if you've eaten here and you really like it, or maybe you haven't. Leave a comment. I will say the place is always jam-packed.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
The very first high roller video here on the New York channel is one of the most watched videos here on the channel, along with the Museum of Natural History. The two of them bring in tens of thousands of views every year. So I plan on visiting Las Vegas again around Halloween time, which is a lot closer than a lot of us are thinking. I was in a couple stores yesterday and Halloween's all set up already, so let me know if there's anything you would like to see when I visit Las Vegas. What my intentions are is to visit a lot of the off-strip hotels and casinos, but if there's any other ideas you guys might have, leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to check them out for you. And speaking of my next visit to Las Vegas, I've been checking hotels and flights, and the prices are insane right now. And I'm looking at, probably the last week of October, first week in November, and prices are just ridiculous. And it's not really the hotels and casinos, it's the airlines. So what I'm gonna probably do is end up staying at a value hotel, and I've stayed at the Flamingo, which is on our left at this point, heading back towards the Strip. I really enjoyed my stay at the Flamingo. It's a great value hotel, and it's at the top of my list. Bally's is also at the top of my list as it converts to the Horseshoe. So a couple of hotels and casinos I'm keeping in mind as I'm making plans for around Halloween this year.
Hey ladies, thank you for watching the New York channel.
Subscribe to the New York channel, girls.
Ring the bell so you never miss any of the man's videos.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.